Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Banking and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on Axis Bank. So let's get started right away. First of all, you're going to want to open up your web browser. So just go ahead and open it up, and then in the address bar type in axisbank.com and press enter. This will now take you into the official website of Axis Bank. You can close all of the notification by tapping on the close button, and then in order to log in, just hover over to the login tab and then select which one of your account you want to log into. From your appropriate login section, just click on the login button, and then you will be taken to the Axis Omni channel, from which you can log into your account. Now you can either log in using your login ID or your customer ID or your debit card number, as well as your MPIN. So just go ahead and select either of those options, and then just go ahead and type in your credentials. After typing in your login ID followed by your password, just go ahead and click on the login button, and you will be logged into your account with Axis Bank. In case you forgot your password, you can click on the Forgot Password Reset Here button, and you will be able to reset your login credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account with Axis Bank. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.